everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha and this is my makeup party. Today we have a Pat McGrath Labs Beauty, a mini beauty, the Mothership, but the smaller version of the word. Mothership Sublime Bronze Temptation eyeshadow palette. Now there are 3 of these out. As you know, they are really hot. $55 each. 3 of them out. The other 2 I wasn't that interested in. I'll show you how pretty this packaging is though. This is a beautiful bejeweled palette. Look at that. I thought this was the most wearable out of the 3. The other one, there was one that was very dark gray, blue, smoky. Then there was one that was all metallics. I'm not going to do the smoky. Just don't look good in dark gray and dark blue on my eyes. Doesn't look right. The other one that was all metallics, I don't like all metallic palettes. They drive me crazy. I have to haul out another palette to get some mattes out of it, some creases, some transitions, some outer corners. So I don't like an all metallic palette because I feel like all you can do with that is a pretty lid color and then you have to find something else to complete the look. So this is a very antique-y look I have on today. It's an antique dark look and that's what you get from these colors. Here they are. They're quite pretty. A small 6-pan palette. We have a duochrome in the middle here. This is such a pretty duochrome right here. Let me swatch all these. I'll show you how I put this on today. I do have that duochrome on, of course, and then I lined under my eyes with it. I love the way it lines. It lines really well. So, you know I have problems with Pat McGrath's formulas. I have problems with them. Sometimes the metallics can be kind of dry and flaky and sparse and thin. Sometimes the mattes can be just too pigmented and hard at the same time so that they're hard to blend. They're hard to get on the brush properly without getting streaky. These mattes went on really nice. They're just fine. They blend nicely. I did not really get quite the impact out of this one in the outer corner that I would have liked. I kept layering it and layering it. It's just not quite as dark out there as I would like. And then this one right here is just kind of disappointing. Okay, and here are your colors. So this is the one that I really don't like that one. It's just, it smooths on the back of your hand with your finger nice, but on your eye and with a brush, etc., I just wish there was a little more there, a little more to it. This is a gorgeous gold. I don't even know if it's a gold or if it's a rusty gold or what it is. I have that on my lid today. This is absolutely beautiful. This is duochroming itself to death. I mean, it's burgundy, it's a dark green right there, and it's gold. This is a good transition color, and this one was an okay outer corner. Let me show you how I applied this today. Okay, I'm just gonna go in and start on my lid with this golden color right here. That one's called Provocatrix. I'm going to use my finger, not really necessary, but I think I'm just so used to it. Oh, that's a gorgeous gold. Look at that. And now going into the color called Burning Desire. Color right here, I'm going to put that in my transition area. Very pigmented, very blendable. Dabbing some of the duochrome color called Corruption between my lid and where I'm going to put this color. I'm going to dab this color, Corruption. This is so pretty. Wow, it looks a lot like the color in the gingerbread palette that I like so much. That goes red and gold. Alright, some of this very dark color in the outer corner, and that is Dark Paradise. And dragging that in to the inner crease, just whatever's on the brush there. And we're really going to have to build that. It's not wanting to layer on top of the other colors. Okay, I'm going to take that flat brush and pat some more of the Corruption color on top of the darker color. Taking this color here called Celestial and putting that in my inner corner and up under my brow bone. Not super visible, very thin. Okay, trying that again with some Fix Plus because this color is just not really responding the way it should. Fix Plus doesn't seem to be doing a whole lot. Yeah, okay, there it is. It's doing a little better. It's just not it doesn't have a lot of background. It's just sort of a golden sheen glitter. Okay, I'm putting some of this duochrome color on with Fix Plus to try to get some more impact out of that as well. And lining under my eyes with that deep chocolate, sort of purple right here. Lining the rest of the way with that beautiful duochrome purple. I think this is a good little palette. I think this is the best out of the 3 new releases. The most wearable, the most sort of, you can tone it down and make it a little more everyday looking. Another way you could probably go with this palette, you could do this in your crease, and then you could just do a lid color with that, and then dot a little bit of this in your outer corner. It wouldn't be quite so dramatic, it wouldn't be quite so colorful with that burgundy in there. Kind of more of an everyday, pretty gold eye. Thanks for spending some time with me today on my Pat McGrath Labs palette, and I'll see you guys next time.